If you think you might have sleep apnea, the good news is that it can be diagnosed and treated. This video breaks it down into 3 clear steps. Stick around to the end for a quick loop that points you to the warning signs. Let's start with step 1. The first step is a sleep test. This can be done in a sleep lab or sometimes at home. Labs provide full monitoring and a controlled environment. You'll be guided by a technician so you know exactly what to expect. Home tests are simpler and track the key signals your clinician needs. The test measures breathing, oxygen levels, and sleep patterns. It looks for pauses in breathing and how your body reacts. Setup is quick. Comfort matters more than perfection. Results usually come back within days and guide your next step. Your report may include an AHI score, which reflects how often breathing drops or stops. Higher numbers often mean more severe sleep apnea. From here, treatment is personalized to your needs. You'll discuss options, preferences, and comfort. The goal is better sleep and safer nights. Let's talk about the most effective therapy for many people. The most effective treatment for moderate to severe sleep apnea is CPAP. It uses gentle air pressure through a mask to keep the airway open during sleep. The pressure prevents airway collapse, so you keep breathing steadily. Humidification and ramp settings add comfort as you fall asleep. A proper fit is key. Snug seal, not too tight. Many feel more refreshed within days to weeks. There are different mask styles. Your clinician will help you choose. Consistency matters. Start with short practice sessions while awake to get used to the mask. Adjust straps for comfort and a quiet seal. Use humidification to reduce dryness or congestion. Keep equipment clean to prevent irritation and maintain airflow. Report any discomfort. Small tweaks can make a big difference. Track your use. More consistent nights lead to better results. Create a calm sleep environment to support CPAP success. Now, step 3. Weight loss. Avoiding alcohol before bed and improving sleep habits can also help reduce symptoms. Alcohol relaxes airway muscles. Skipping it before bed can help. A nutritious plan supports healthy weight and better sleep. Set a regular schedule, limit screens, and keep the room cool and dark. Even light daily movement improves energy and sleep quality. Even modest weight loss can make a meaningful difference. With the right treatment, many people experience better sleep, more energy, and improved health. You don't have to power through tired days. Small steps lead to real change. Safer nights mean brighter days. Ready for the next step? But first, you have to recognize the warning signs. Tap to watch the loop on early clues and what to do next. 3 signs you may have sleep apnea.